Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share a job opening from Monalisa group of services located in Thane. As you can see here, they are hiring for equity dealer. So you must have more than 2 years of working experience. You must be any graduate and you must have certification like NISM series 8 validity, and you should have experience in FNO, and you please go through the key result areas. Those are mentioned here, and the salary could be 3 to 3.5 lakhs per annum. So if you are interested, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.